Hello everyone, welcome back to Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Spotify on PC. So for that, first of all, you open the web browser on your PC and open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in spotify.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the Spotify. Once you are at the official web page, you need to click on download over here. Click on it. This will direct you to the download page of the app. Here you just need to click on download on this here and the downloading of the setup file for the Spotify will begin. Once the setup file is downloaded, you click on the upward menu and click on open. The Spotify installation is currently in process. You can see the process right over here. And with that, the Spotify application has been downloaded on your PC. Over here you can see the Spotify icon on your desktop. So this is how you can download and install Spotify application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.